Hi, my name is Amar Singh and I'm the CEO and founder of Cyber Management Alliance Limited. We started Cyber Management Alliance to help businesses become cyber resilient. We focused on training and awareness to help the executive management layer to become more aware of cyber threats and the resulting risks associated with cyber threats. We offer three main towers of training. One is Incident Planning and Response, also known as CIPR, or Cyber Incident Planning and Response. The other one is on how to build incident response playbooks. And the final tower that we offer is Executive Business and Awareness Sessions. These sessions focus on executives and give them the awareness for cyber threats and risks. Our main objective when we are running internal planning and response workshops, playbook workshops, is how do we help and enable the business to become cyber resilient. What that means is how can a business easily detect and respond to a cyber attack. The topic of cyber resilience is of utmost importance to every business. Why? The question every CEO, CFO, executive must ask, how prepared are they for a cyber attack? And equally importantly, when they get hit by a cyber attack, how quickly can they carry on their business operations? That's why the topic of cyber resilience is of utmost importance for every business. The key benefits to an organization of running CIPR, of playbooks and executive business sessions. These sessions empower and enable the business to become more cyber resilient, to become prepared for responding to a cyber attack. And the most important, to be able to carry on making profit when hit by a cyber attack.